The twin chimneys of the Stella South Power Station have towered nearly 400 feet over the Tyne Valley for the past 40 years. But the mighty structures were reduced to rubble this afternoon as a controlled explosion brought 10,000 tonnes of bricks crashing to the ground. The station is being demolished to make way for new developments on the site. This afternoon, the demolition experts turned their attention to the boiler house, some 50 metres high.
This afternoon, after yesterday's attempt failed.